Why Odoo support services is the question of our video today. Figure out which services exist and are helpful for your requirements and what should be considered using Odoo support services. Hello everyone, my name is Tobias Hammecke, founder and CEO of Odoo Business Software Solutions. Welcome to another episode of whyodoo. We at OBS Solutions offer comprehensive Odoo support services to help you throughout your entire Odoo journey. First, of course, we support you throughout your decision-making process. So book a free demo to see Odoo in action, for example. Test Odoo for free. We have a test system before you implement it for free. Get a first project estimate, which budget and range should be considered. Or use our contact form to get in touch with us directly. Second, we offer different options to get started with Odoo and us. For example, with our quick start approach, you get instant and overnight access to a database with a very simple standard setup. Or you start directly if your decision is already made with your Odoo project and our support. If you're not sure yet, we offer an analysis workshop for small businesses or limited requirements in order to get a good basis for your decision. Or if you need more comprehensive requirements, we offer a proof of concept for larger enterprises, for example, with in-depth analysis planning so that your team can decide on the right solution. If you use Odoo already, you should consider our partner switch package. So transition to us as a partner for project recovery or just utilization of our complete set of services, industry know-how, quality of service, and of course partner network. Number 3, of course, we support you through every phase of your Odoo lifetime, from implementation to after-sales support, with services like general consulting, planning, analysis, to get the best out of your Odoo with our diverse Odoo and industry experience. Customization and configuration to tailor Odoo to your needs. Data migration and integration to other software. Training and go-live support to ensure a smooth transition. Maintenance and optimization of your system to support long-term success. And of course, we do a market review on software, basically on Odoo, and support your Odoo upgrade, for example, to ensure that your software remains modern and up-to-date always. Number 4, over the past 10 years, more than 10 years working with Odoo, we have built an extensive network of service providers and gained in-depth knowledge of the Odoo ecosystem. Here are just 3 examples of partnerships. One is, for example, our Bob Alliance. As part of the best Odoo Partner Alliance, we maintain very close relationship and collaborate with the top Odoo partners from various countries. Or let's take OPaaS Cloud. With OPaaS Cloud, we offer unique and dedicated Odoo hosting solutions specifically tailored to your needs. Another partner is Primehive, a marketing agency specializing in Odoo. We don't just implement websites or e-commerce solutions technically, we ensure as well that your website truly stands out and drives success. These are just a few examples of our vast partner network. Finally, a last remark. Especially smaller companies often attempt to implement Odoo themselves, relying on available information but lack the resources and of course expertise for proper implementation. When we then later step in, we often end up in redoing many processes, leading to finally higher costs and longer timelines than if the customer would have worked directly with an experienced Odoo partner like us. Therefore, contact us better directly or book a free demo for more information on Odoo and of course as well on our services. Thank you.